जो यार की कदर खाक करेगा वो प्यार की.
Thank you, ma'am.
ये पहले लिखा भैया. Anybody from the audience would like to ask? कोई पूछना जाएगा क्वेश्चन?
Congratulations to Rashmi, ma'am. You did wonderful job. Just I would like to know, besides writing for poetry and relationships, would you also write something else?
I have written 2 self-help books. One is Taming the Restless Mind from Pustak Mahal and another Back to School at 30. Taming the Restless Mind is for the youth, the young generation those who actually, those who are not, their mind is actually disturbed due to various factors, not only love life, due to different jobs, to not getting good jobs and not getting good colleges and things. And the aspects of life I have dealt, mainly the youth. And Back to School at the 30, that is also a personality based and that is about for 30 plus. That is for the 30 plus people. Because how they start misbehaving as soon as they reach as soon as they are 30 years old, they just forget about their manners, etiquettes and all those things. They think that they are grown up enough and it is only the children who should be actually made to learn all these habits and not they. They actually spit on the road, they make the places unclean. So about all these things I have dealt in my book, Back to School at the 30. And I did a historical fiction, so I'm not actually tied to any label. I escape labels. Then I have done a metro read, very bold. I've done fall in love, soft romance, everything. You cannot tie me down. And now I'm into writing Hindi and English poems also. That is actually from the very beginning I've been writing. It's not that it is I'm writing right now. Won few prizes in newspapers. Anything else?
Wonderful, ma'am. I'm also a writer.
Sorry?
I'm also an author.
Okay, that is very. What's your name?
Abhijit ji, you're at our stall at 5859, and all the books also will be available there. Anybody who wants to, get our books signed, also.
These are my books right now. This is Karthik's book.
Books are available at stall number 5829 in this hall only. So anyone can have an author signed copy.
Discounted price,
My historical fiction, The Untold Story of Arundhati and the Black Emperor. It's very interesting and it gives you some rich facts from history. Sorry, it has been sold out before the fair in the fair. Tomorrow, but
yeah. Showroom
so
you can buy.
from their showroom you can buy, and they'll get it published now again. And it is actually for me it is a very good thing that the books are selling so fast.
Yeah, so whatever books we got here, they are all sold out. And even Fall in Love, we found only 3-4 copies.
And that one, the old edition, because the new edition has been all sold out. And I'm very happy to have sir as my mentor, because he takes full care that the books are being distributed properly also. Anything anybody would like to ask, anything about relationships? Because here I have dealt with all kinds of relationship in this book. The current scenario of those who are facing in offices and the problems in the metro rail. So many things I have dealt in this book. It's not only confined to a simple mushy love story. It's the problems of the girls, teenage girls, growing up girls, girls in the offices, married girls, women all over. How they face this world, the cutthroat competitions in their offices, everywhere, the heartbreaks, the heartburns, and finally how they settle down. How necessary it is for you to keep the positivity in you alive. Anybody wants to have any question? If you want to buy my books, you can get it here.